I will start with the innovative recipe sweet category. The innovative recipe sweet category. Alright. The winner is Anindita Ganguly. She has made choco caramel doodh puli with a pura caramel brownie spread. Congratulations, Anindita. This was really a very innovative idea, really taking it to the next level. I really appreciate how much thought has gone behind this. Thank you for sharing this lovely recipe with us, and congratulations. The runner-up is in this sweet category is Neeru Gupta, of course, Choco Pan Gajak. She's used choco mint, apura banarsi pan and pan west. Neeru, this was really innovative, and I was totally floored by this recipe, and you've done amazing new creation for all of us to follow. Thank you so much, Neeru. Congratulations. So these were the two in the sweet category. There is the next category.
I think you should announce the runner-up first and then the winner.
Alright, we'll do that. Okay guys, so the runner-up is going to be announced first. As per the guidance given by my daughter Sajjan Singh, she thinks that we should do the runner-up first. Okay, so sorry Sajjan. So we will do the runner-up first in case of the savory innovative dish. So the runner-up is Smitanjali Mishra with chili, oregano, spinach, bubble bread Christmas tree. Smitanjali, amazing. It was so cute to look at, and the Christmas tree shape that you've given, it's really cute, very innovative, and really it was a beautiful dish that you had sent across. And thank you for sharing this lovely idea with us. Okay, so the drum rolls for the winner now. So the winner is Ruchi Kakkad for the Gujarati Patra made with fab ginger extract, fab lemon extract and Natkhat Chatpat spread. Ruchi, oh my god, this is like the creativeness to the next level for us. I mean, who could imagine making a patra with any of our products? It is amazing creativity, Ruchi, and very beautifully presented, very beautiful dish, and it looked beautiful even in the pictures. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Okay, I have to announce another thing right now. So before I announce the reel category and the category for the best presentation, there is one more category that this time we have added. Again, as I had told you guys, that Santa is feeling very generous this year. So Santa has been sending us messages to spread our generosity to everyone. And this time we have added another category because there is one person who just totally floored us with all the dishes. See, a lot of times we get a lot of dishes. It's not always the number of dishes, you know. There are times in previous contests also, many of you have seen. And in fact, there was a grievance about it also put across to us that we have sent you, 7, 8, 10 number of, I've forgotten the number, I'm sorry, this is like way back when we started putting our contests across. So some people had sent me 8, 9, 10 recipes, and in the end when we had not selected them in any of the category as winner, I did hear that they were upset about it, and I had to say sorry. But every time we are doing the selection, it is not on the basis of number of things that you have sent. It is always on, even if you send me a single dish, like over here Smitanjali had sent only one dish to us. It's not that she had sent so many, but that one dish was so beautifully done that there was no way that we could not put a prize on it. So it is not about the number of recipes you're sending, but the things that you're sending to us. On this note, again, I have to say one more thing was that there is a participant here who has sent us I think 7 recipes, and every recipe was worth prize too. And in fact, in the same category, her own other recipes competing with the same in the same category. So it was very hard to decide between the dishes that she has sent to us in the sweet category, savory category, reels category. That it was becoming difficult because she was competing with her own dishes by the end of it also. So we decided that for all this effort, and every dish, every single dish is worth going back and following, and presentation wise, looks wise, idea wise, every way. So this special category has been created for our special winning prize for Ruchi Kakkar. Thank you so much, Ruchi, for all the amazing recipes you've sent to us. Congratulations. You will be getting some extra goods from us. We will be connecting with you and we will be asking you, we will be giving you a detail of what extra stuff we would like to send to you, and you can choose from there what you would like us to send. And thank you so much. And it's really an honor that we got to see all the beautiful dishes and the creativity that you showed to us. Thank you so much, Ruchi. Guys, a big round of applause, please, on the whoever is watching. Please give us a round of applause for Ruchi Kakkar, because she has really done an amazing job here. And go back and check her recipes. Okay, so now for the presentation, the most innovative and the very pretty looking presentation award. So again, there are over here we were compelled to choose extra person here, because again we had so many nice pretty pictures, and so we have two runners up. So the first one is Charushila Nimbalkar, eggless apricot pistachio orange biscotti using fab orange extract. Congratulations, Charushila. And the second, and also another runner-up is Rashmi Ranjan, customized home bakes, warm Christmassy chocolate pudding made with ginger extract and a pura orange Belgium. Congratulations, Rashmi and Charushila, for the amazing looking pictures that you have clicked and amazing looking presentation of the dishes. Both the dishes were like popping out of the pictures were clicked so beautifully. Amazing work. Thank you so much. And the recipes, of course, were really delicious to look at. And I'm sure they'll be very delicious to eat. So now for the winner. So the winner will be Sneha Narayan for Christmas plum cake. She has used the oil-soluble pineapple and oil-soluble vanilla. Sneha is the winner for the photograph, the presentation segment of our contest. Congratulations, Sneha. So now we are going again to the next segment, which is the reels. Many of you have sent us reels, many of you have sent us videos also. Just a request next time, in fact I think we were also new to this and you were new to this. So next time we would require you to send a 60-second reel only, which is actually the limit for the reels, and in the format of a reel, how you post it on Insta or on Facebook as a reel, not a video taken from your camera, otherwise in the reel format. Alright, so anyways, we had some again beautiful reels, and there were many that we were liking, but again as the contest rules demand that we have to choose a winner and a runners up. So we are choosing, we selected runners up is Rashmi Ranjan, customized home bakes for her hot chocolate bombs made with coffee and a pura choco hazelnut. Congratulations, Rashmi. And the winner for the reels is going to be Ruchi Kakkar. She has made the Shahi Cadet Kheer with fab premium kheer and a pura elaichi toffee. Amazing, Ruchi, amazing work. So these are the final results of the contest. I hope you enjoyed this contest, and I hope you enjoyed interacting with us today. And it was it was very nice to have you all over here and taking out time for our contest, taking out time to come for our lives and interact with us. Any messages that we are getting now?
A lot of congratulations and
For the
thank
winners,
you.
yeah.
Ruchi Kakkar says it's overwhelming. Thank you so much.
Ruchi, you just completely bowled us over.
Yeah, everyone is saying thank you. Vishali K is saying congratulations. Ritu Sudhakar saying hi.
Hi. Hi Ritu, it's been a long time.
Customer is Home Bakes Rashmi Ranjan is saying thank you so much Hema ji for 2 runner-up prizes.
It's always a pleasure seeing your stuff, Ruchi, Rashmi. So okay, so guys, it's been lovely interacting with you today, and we will be coming up with some interesting stuff in the coming months. In case you guys have any ideas of what we should be doing in the group, please keep pouring that in. Please interact in the group. Please send your likes and on posts so that everybody gets encouraged to keep posting over there. Add your friends, as many as you can, in the group so that we become a bigger audience and we are able to take more things forward, like contests and stuff like that. We can enjoy a little more. Thank you so much for joining us today.